Hi, everybody. I am Amirh Johnson, resident of Union City, medical physicist, and mom of three.
Hi, I'm Derrick Richardson. I live in Union City. I'm a biotechnology professional and a father of two.
Yes, I feel safe taking all three of the vaccines. I happen to have been vaccinated already since I'm a healthcare worker. I received the Moderna vaccine. I got my second shot the first week of February. I did get some headache and fatigue. I felt hungover. Someone described that, and I'm like, you know what? That's exactly how I felt for about 8 hours, and then I recovered and felt fine. I feel safe taking the vaccine because, fortunately, I am a scientist and I know how to read and understand scientific literature. And so I was able to do that. And I was able to kind of, look at the information on clinicaltrials.gov, look at some published papers, um, and understand how the vaccines were made and how the trials ensure that people will be safe. And so that's helped me to make a decision on that. The other side of that is we're half a million people, over half a million people dead in the US already in 1 year from um, COVID 19. And um, any um, hesitancy I have with the vaccine really is overridden by the fear of, COVID-19 continuing to just kill so many people in this country. So, yeah, that has driven my decision. Derrick, I know you haven't had the vaccine yet, but I'm curious to hear your thoughts as well.
Sure, Amir. I do feel safe taking the vaccine. I currently work in research and development in the pharmaceutical industry. Literally develop drugs for a living. So I know what to look for. I know what a well-designed clinical trial looks like. And I know what a company should be doing to put an effective and safe product on the market. And my bar for whether or not I would take the vaccine was when any company came forward with an independent, peer-reviewed piece of literature in a reputable scientific journal. All three of these vaccines have had scientific papers published in the New England Journal of Medicine, and I've taken the time to read all three papers. And I can say very confidently that all three of these vaccines had rigorous, well-designed clinical trials with statistical significance that prove that they are effective at keeping you from actually getting COVID and safe. The Moderna and Pfizer trials were a little bit more comprehensive than the J&J in terms of numbers. I believe Pfizer they produced data from over 40,000 participants. Moderna had about 30,000 participants, and these were trials that were conducted in multiple countries. The gender and racial diversity in two of the trials was excellent. Moderna and Pfizer, I think, had somewhere around 9–10% Black people, around 20–30% Latinx or Hispanic people. J&J did not have as much robustness with regard to racial diversity. I think it was somewhere around 1%, or I'm sorry, 5 or 6% Black people. But all three of these vaccines, based on the published data, have shown with high confidence that they work. They will keep you from getting sick, and they will also they're also safe. By far, the biggest side effect from these vaccines are fatigue, muscle fatigue, feeling tired, feeling nauseous, maybe feeling like you have a cold. But these things resolve very quickly. So I feel very confident that they're safe. And I actually plan to get vaccinated this week. I made my appointment for my first shot on Friday of this week, and I also have the follow up 3 weeks later on my birthday. So I really look forward to getting fully vaccinated like Amirh.